I totally did not expect this. The video you just saw 5 minutes ago, showed gust 1 coming in with light rain. Then I went to the radar and saw this big blow-up of convection coming in from the southwest from Brooklyn. And by the time I got my camera ready again, this cloud burst just happened from that band of convection moving in. Not a lot of thunder, but it surely is pouring outside like crazy. I mean, and this is not going to be the last band of heavy rain either. There's heavy precipitation moving in from southeastern Pennsylvania, and we probably will get an hour break, which will let some clearing and perhaps some more convection to build up. But I don't expect anything severe. I just expect basically storms like this for the rest of the day, with some breaks. There you can see the rain's not coming down. And actually, when I first looked at the band of convection, it actually looked like it might be developing a hook echo. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'm in my... You can see what I mean, see? See what I mean? It looks like it has a hook on it. I mean, that's not a tornado. There's no circulation with this. See, now it loses its hook signature, or the one it briefly developed. I mean, look at this. Almost looks like a little inflow notch right here. I mean, it almost looks like it's developing a hook, but there is no tornado warning, so, and there's no tornado signature. But the rain's continuing to come down. You could hear the rain just hit the air conditioner. Yeah, so it's still pouring outside pretty hard. It's raining about the same clip as about a minute ago. I don't have any more. And said there's more storms coming in from Pennsylvania, so hold on, show you that. Here we go. Here are the storms that are coming in from Pennsylvania, and you're probably gonna have a good break between this band of precipitation and this. That might develop into more thunderstorms. It could become a little stronger. Maybe not as strong as this, but still, might become pretty strong. Here's a storm that just came through right now.